Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'm trying this one-take video to show you guys something that I use on a regular basis, especially when I'm out on location doing drone jobs and a number of other things that historically I have done as careers. Having one of these duty belts is a must-have because you carry so many things with you. A lot of times I'm carrying lights, I'm carrying tools, I'm carrying holsters for different things. Now, what I like about this belt, first and foremost, is that this kit comes with an internal belt. So this is the belt right here that actually goes through your pants. Now, this is only 1 inch. That's about the standard for most American belts, you know, if you're wearing jeans or slacks or something like that. And this is Velcro, so it's going to stick really well. It also comes with standard plastic buckle. You know, nothing special there, but it does come with it. The main event, which is going to be this belt right here. Now, this is a really nice heavy duty belt, guys. Now you have your retainers here. These just snap on like so. And that's going to be for, you know, securing this onto your pants. Now, what I love about this, the most important thing I like about this is the fact that it has a different type of buckling system. You guys can see here, this is not a plastic buckle. This is actually metal, and it has these little pull tabs here that allow you to quickly, you know, attach and detach the belt whenever you need to take this off. You're out in the field, maybe you have to go for a break or something, you want to take your gear off. This is an easy, accessible way to be able to take this belt off. Now, the standardized size of this belt is perfect for most of the things that you're going to find that you need a belt like this for. Like I said, for radio holsters, for flashlights, for tools, for other types of holsters. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you carry that when you go out in the field, this is going to be ideal for it. So combined, this is a nice little kit here. So definitely take a look at this, guys. If you are, like myself, working on location in some questionable areas, and you carry a lot of gear with you, this could be an excellent option for you. So definitely take a look at this belt. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.